So of late, I heard people talking about Bitcoin. So really, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is just digital money that exists on the internet. That means no middleman, no government, just people sending value. When you want to send money the traditional way, you have the bank as a middleman. But with Bitcoin, you just need a wallet address and there's no middleman and you have sent your money. And Bitcoin, people call it the digital gold because only 21 million pieces will ever exist. So it's the new money of the digital age and it exists on the blockchain. And blockchain is just like a digital notebook that everyone could have access to see the records, but no one could change it. So it's the money of this age. But remember, you can change it to fiat and use it. It just don't live in the internet, but that is where it's being housed. Thank you. This is part of my 30-day series. This is day 3. So stay close and I'll keep teaching you step by step.